Welcome to Constellation Brands Wine Notes for December 2015, Part 1. Clos du Bois Sonoma Reds, including Cabernet Sauvignon, Merlot, and Pinot Noir, continue with their newly revised permanent price reductions to $9.33 wrap-up, which means that the key Sonoma wines are all now line priced. Coupled with December's Sonoma Mass Rip of 30 cases equals $900, that is worth more than 26% in Rip profit dollars to the trade, and if featured at a hot retail price of $9.99, returns $3.16 in profit dollars per bottle to the trade, or 33.8% in profit to retail if you include the Rip as part of the profit picture. This is a game changer and should be used to expand the Clos du Bois footprint for advertisers and floor features as well as cold box features. The Sonoma Mass Rip of $900 on 30 cases runs through the end of December. It assorts all types. This one needs to be prominently featured, advertised, and on the floor and in the cold box. The plan is to run this through December, then come back for February, but the Sonoma Red price decrease is permanent and everything is now line priced. Estancia in December comes back with a Cabernet Sauvignon partial month Rip of $150 on 5 cases, running only December 1 through December 21. If sold at a hot retail of $12.99, the profit to your customer is more than 28%, or $3.40 per bottle if you include the Rip as part of the profit picture. This will be a buy-in on December 21. The plan is to return in February, but at that time the Rip is going to go back to $300 on 10 cases. Merlot and Chardonnay assort for the Rip of $450 on 15 cases. This is worth 27% profit against Chardonnay at 20 and 21% against Merlot before any markup from invoice price. Use this to build out your Estancia display, shelf, and cold box. If Chardonnay is sold at a hot retail price of $9.99, your customer makes 36% profit if you consider the Rip as part of the profit picture. The current plan is not to return before March of 2016 with this deal, and of course that is subject to change. Estancia Pinot Noir continues with the enhanced Rip of $150 on 3 cases. This is worth nearly 28% in Rip profit to the trade. The plan is for a 30-day buy-in at the end of December on Pinot Noir, and that is subject to change. Estancia Pinot Grigio is an important part of the Constellation portfolio. It has a Rip of $90 on 3 cases, which assorts with unoaked Chardonnay. This one is worth $2.50 per bottle and returns more than 27% in Rip profit dollars and 36% in profit if sold at a hot $9.99 retail, when you consider the Rip as part of the profit picture. The current plan is not to return before March of 2016 with this deal, and of course that is subject to change. Estancia Red Meritage has a Rip of $150 on 3 cases, and that is worth 21% in Rip dollars before any retail markup is added. Assorted in the Red Meritage Rip, we have a limited quantity of Estancia Red Meritage combos. These are new for December. That consists of 12 bottles 750 ml plus 1 bottle 1.5 of Estancia Red Meritage at no upcharge. This is equal to a $40 value. Supplies are limited. First come, first serve. Once we sell out, there will be no back orders. Franciscan in December comes back with a Cabernet Sauvignon Rip of $300 on 6 cases. This is worth nearly 20% in Rip profit dollars to the trade, and if sold at a hot retail price of $21.99, returns 24% in profit to your customers if you consider the Rip as part of the profit. In December, this also assorts with the remaining inventory of Franciscan Cabernet Sauvignon plus 1.5 liter combo, which were such a big success in October. If sold separately, the 1.5 Franciscan Cabernet is worth $45 per bottle. The combo pack includes 12 bottles of Franciscan Cabernet plus 1 bottle of 1.5 liter Franciscan Cabernet at no upcharge. So that's like getting the $45 bottle of 1.5 Franciscan Cabernet free of charge. The Franciscan Cabernet combo pack is included in the Rip of $300 on 6 cases. Franciscan Chardonnay and Merlot have a partial month RIP running December 1 through 21 only, $300 on 6 cases. In December, this includes the Chardonnay 15-pack plus the Merlot 15-pack. And here is everything you need to know to be successful with this opportunity. Franciscan Chardonnay 12-pack sells for $193.08 per case, which is $16.09 wrap-up. Franciscan Chardonnay and Merlot 15-pack sell for the same price, $193.08 per case. No upcharge. That's like getting 3 bottles free of charge. The resulting wrap-up is $12.88. The RIP is worth $50 per case, regardless of whether it's 12-pack or 15-pack. This is worth nearly 26% in RIP profit dollars. And if sold at a hot retail price of $16.99, the profit is $7.44 per bottle, or nearly 58% in profit if you include the RIP as part of the profit picture. On December 21, the 15-pack will be a buy-in at least until the spring of 2016. The actual date is to be determined. Franciscan Sauvignon Blanc has a RIP of $80 on 2 cases. This is worth more than 25% in RIP profit dollars, and this will be a 30-day buy-in at the end of December. We continue to have an exciting and unique value-added combo pack. 6 bottles of Franciscan Cuvée Sauvage plus 1 bottle of 2012 Franciscan Magnificat. If purchased separately, 1 case 6-pack of Cuvée Sauvage is $168.54. And 1 case of Magnificat arrives at a wrap-up of $41.09 per bottle. This combo pack invoices at $168.54. So it's like getting 1 bottle of Magnificat free of charge. This is a great way to build distribution for Cuvée Sauvage and for Magnificat. And the Magnificat vintage is in the desirable 2012, which scored 95 points in the tasting panel as well as 90 points in Wine and Spirits magazine. Thank you very much for watching and listening to Part 1 of Constellation Brands Wine Notes for December of 2015.